Dig, dig, dig the ground, make little holes all round. Tiny seeds go tucked inside, warm and cozy where they hide.
These tiny striped seeds become giant flowers? Yep, nature hides giant surprises in tiny packages. The seed sleeps safely underground while the warm soil protects it like a blanket.
Water drops drip, drip, drip. Tiny roots sip, sip, sip. Push up slowly toward the light. Little sprout, you're growing right.
The roots go down to drink water, and the sprout climbs up to find sunlight.
The seed coat falls away, revealing the plant's very first baby leaves.
Sunshine shining way up high, helping flowers touch the sky.
Whoa, they're growing so tall!
East to west we sway all day, following the sunbeam way.
Look! The flowers follow the sun.
This is called heliotropism. Young sunflowers move to face sunlight during the day.
Wow, they're ready. We just needed patience, water, and sunshine.
Golden petals open wide, sunny crowns with giant pride. Tall and bright they wave hello, happy garden all aglow.
They look like tiny suns in the sky. They're huge.
The sunflower's giant center will soon create hundreds of brand new seeds.
Plant a dream and help it grow. Give it love and watch it glow. Tiny seeds can reach the sky with sunshine bright and rain nearby.
Now it's your turn to plant something magical.
Big things can grow from tiny beginnings.
See you next garden adventure.